Alright guys, I'm doing this video to show you about my radiator upgrade. I had the 2-core Chevrolet radiator and every now and then it would warm up past the halfway mark, and I just didn't like that because, you know, I just did everything to this engine: head gaskets, lifters, push rods, cam, everything, and I can't afford to be playing around. So I grabbed my old radiator from Big Block Caprice. This is an all aluminum 3-core radiator. I think I paid like a couple $100 for it. Just on Amazon or something like that. So now they won't even reach halfway, even when I'm driving across town. And so here's how we did it. We just hooked all those hoses back up. We skipped our transmission lines, you know, because we have a transmission cooler in the front, so we just didn't even hook them up in here. But this one, I had to get a longer hose for the you can see, for the, you know, the, I want to say overflow tank. Yeah, overflow tank. So rated at 15 psi. So I ran the little tube coming from in here on the other side, ran it right here to this part. So, and then I put our cap on. Our cap is rated at 15 pounds too. So I just let the truck run, let it get warm, let the thermostat open up and stuff, and then I went ahead and capped it off after both of these were full, this one and this one. Capped it off, and man, now the truck won't even warm up halfway. So that's good. It just hovers below the halfway mark. That's perfect. You can see my little EGR block off that I did. So, like I said, 221, 226 cam motion cam from Scog & Dickey. Just did the upgraded valve springs, Z06 springs, the blue ones. Oh, let me show you my new springs. We'll come back to this in a minute. I'll start it up for you. Check this out. Let me show you. These are, check this out, I got some goodies here. Yes sir, Pack 1218 racing valve springs. Let's see. Ooh, got stickers too. Oh yeah, racing springs, driver's side. Oh, that's pretty cool. You can put them on your truck. Not bad. Let's see what the other one says. Same thing, just passenger side. Anything in here? No. So these are the springs. They're a little bit good, a little bit better. These are up to 660 lift. I don't know if you can see them. Turn the light. These are rated up to 660 lift. So I can use them on that cam or a bigger cam. And if I want to do nitrous, which my buddy's selling a nitrous kit for 500, but if I want to do nitrous, I'll put these springs on. These springs were 150 total. So here's the famous tool. They got the work done with the head still on the truck. Didn't drop a valve at all. These are just the old ones. I wanted to do a, you know, a next to a comparison. You can see this has got a little bit more height on it. Can handle a little bit more. This is an old one. This is a factory one. Okay. So yeah, these are called Pack 1218s. Go down to Scog & Dickey. That's just the part number. Pack 1218s. These are rated for 660 lift. So So I haven't used these. Oh, look at that. Got another transmission cooler too. We just ripped the Tahoe apart. I got a bunch of good parts off of it. Rear bumper. I got a motor here I'm selling. Ran like a champ. Got the harness, computer, pedal, everything. Let me let y'all hear how it sounds since I got the valve springs on. Not done. I just wired up LED lights 10 o'clock last night. Still don't got it tuned all the way. My homeboy's procrastinating with me. But look at that. I just got done driving about 5 minutes ago. It didn't even reach like a quarter. I mean, some people might say, oh, that's not good for normal operating temperature if you want to run it hard. But nah, it's perfect. Let me let you hear it. Good 373 rear end. I'm not done with the electric fan setup. I really don't like that. When I got the truck, it had that one electric fan, and that's how it was wired up. So I'm just going with it for now. I'm gonna get the bigger fans that Chevy makes. Just put them in front of there. But other than that, man, it's running good. No overheating issue, no leaks. Do need to put the top fan shroud on. Other than that, running good. So if you guys want to keep your LS cool, get you one of these aluminum radiators for a couple $100. 3-core, 3-row, 3-core, whatever radiator. Man, it will do the trick. Boy, it looks so pretty, don't it? Brand new NGK plugs, MSD, LS7 lifters, one-piece push rods, cam, blue valve springs from the Z06. Brand new oil pump, all gaskets, oil pan gasket, head gaskets, valve cover gaskets, intake gasket, front timing cover gasket, seal. So I'm probably getting ready to spray it with nitrous until I can get a little bit more money for a pro charger or a supercharger. Really don't want to do the Chinese turbo thing. I'm a die-hard American. So there it is, guys. Let me let you look at the temp. I know it ain't been running that long, but that's where it's at. And now I can let it sit here and idle. Even with that electric fan, I can let it sit here and idle, and it's not a big deal. Trans temp. There it is, guys. I got a lot of work to do. Once I get the tune done, then I can start working on the dang inside. Looks crappy to me, but there it is. Oh, don't forget